Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a wide range of applications, from generating creative writing to providing customer support. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes. It's commonly used for generating natural language text, creating engaging dialogue, and even assisting with content creation. Additionally, it can be employed in customer service to provide automated responses and streamline communication. Its versatility makes it a valuable resource for writers, developers, and businesses looking to enhance their interactions with users. Using ChatGPT is straightforward. Simply input your prompt or question, and ChatGPT will generate a response based on the context provided. It's important to frame your input clearly to receive the most accurate and relevant output. Whether you're looking for creative inspiration or seeking automated support solutions, ChatGPT is ready to assist you.